Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I told you we could see support from 108.9K, or worst case, 108.3K. Thankfully, 108.9K held perfectly and gave Bitcoin the boost it needed. From that bounce, the price moved strongly and printed new all-time highs today, peaking at 110.5K. As of now, Bitcoin is still holding above 109.3K, which remains a very bullish sign. The long-term indicators on the wave trend are still extremely positive. We continue to see healthy momentum and sustained green strength across higher timeframes. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can spot a hot cluster between 110.5K and 111.7K. On the downside, there are small horizontal levels from longs sitting around 107.6K, 107.7K, and near 105.3K. That means the majority of liquidation leverage is still stacked above us. In other words, the pressure remains on the short side. Switching to the 1-week heat map, we get an even clearer picture. The only serious heat left is around 111K, everything else looks clean. Zooming further out to the 1-month heat map, the signal is obvious. The only hot cluster is between 110.5K and 112K, which was the former all-time high. Beyond that, the chart is cold. No other major liquidity clusters to worry about. Now let's talk ETF inflows. On July 2nd, BlackRock showed zero inflows, but overall the day still closed at a strong 407.8 million in total. That's still a massive number. Today's inflows so far are at 140.2 million. As always, we'll see updated data from the rest of the major players soon. Now let's touch on macro events. Today's US initial jobless claims report came in better than expected. The actual number was 233,000, beating the forecast of 240,000. The unemployment rate slightly decelerated to 4.1%. This kind of economic strength helped push the S&P 500 to close at a new record on Thursday in a shortened session. Tomorrow the US markets will be closed for Independence Day, creating a long weekend and a period of lower trading volume. That means one thing: the perfect environment for market makers to play games. We may see a fake-out dump sometime this weekend, so be prepared for volatility before Monday's open. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.